Hello, in front of me I've got BMW Series 2 Active Tourer Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. In the beginning, take a look at your keyfob and remove the manual key. Once you've done it, prepare a flat screwdriver or tool similar to this, and the battery in your keyfob is located behind this cover. Place the tool here and just push the cover. To remove the battery, you can also use the flat screwdriver and push it and lift it from here. Now assemble the whole part and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.